And a fun thing you can do, so when we SSH into our Pi, the machine identifies itself on the network as Raspberry Pi. So we SSH in as kdmukai at raspberrypi.local. And that's based on the host name. So it identifies itself as Raspberry Pi. You can change the host name pretty easily. And a little bit of Googling, how to change Raspberry Pi host name. So we just use this hostname ctl set hostname. So, and probably we need to do this through sudo. Set hostname to something like Bitcoin node. I mean, I don't know if you want to advertise on your local network that you're running a Bitcoin node at that address, but name it whatever you want. Call it Bob. Call it Satoshi. Actually, let's do that. We'll call it Satoshi. So now the Pi hostname is Satoshi. So if we do a reboot, like so right now it still thinks it's called Raspberry Pi, but if we now reboot the system, instead of SSHing into at Raspberry Pi, my SSH command would look like SSH kmukai at Satoshi, and then it'll prompt me for the username and or for the password, and then this will start reading Satoshi. So yeah, you can rename your machine to whatever you want, and it'll identify itself with that host name on your network, and you can SSH into it with that new name. So have fun, name your baby.